saw that your light was on, so I climbed up the elephant. I just wanted to say thank you for helping me get the job.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Toulouse was right. You are very talented. Anyway, I better get going. We both have a big day tomorrow.
Yeah, big day. Wait, but before you go, before when you thought that I was the Duke and you said that you loved me, I was just wondering if that was just an act.
Yes, of course.
It just felt so real.
Christian, I'm a courtesan. I'm paid to make men believe what they want to.
How silly of me to think that someone like you could fall in love with someone like me.
Oh, I can't fall in love with anyone.
What? You can't fall in love with a life without love? That's terrible.
A life on the street is terrible.
But love is oxygen. Love is a many splendor thing. Love lifts us up where we belong. All you need is love.
Please don't start that again.
All you need is love.
A girl has got to eat.
All you need is love.
Or she'll end up on the street.
All you need is love.
Love is just a game.
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me.
The way of loving me, baby, is to pay a lovely fee.
Just one night. Give me just one night.
There's no way, 'cause you can't pay.
In the name of love. One night in the name of love.
You crazy fool. I won't give in to you.
Don't leave me this way. I can't survive without your sweet love. Oh, baby, don't leave me this way.
You think that people would have had enough of silly love songs?
I look around me and I see it isn't so. No.
Some people want to fill the world with silly love songs.
Well, what's wrong with that? I'd like to know. Because here I go again. Love lifts us up where we belong.
You will be me.
No, I won't.
And I